Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to use this pre-screen on your HONOR MagicPad 4. At first, open the application that supports this. So I'd be, for example, the Facebook, and here tap this top bar. Tap here split screen, and now select the second one. Let it be, for example, booking.com. And here you can use now here this application on the right, and here this application on the left. And apart from that, here you can change sizes of these applications like this, using this slider in between. If you tap this slider, you can select the horizontal swap these applications, save this pair, and now how to exit this, like this. Swipe up and just delete. Goodbye.